Yeah, well, look, I think in fairness to our current government, they've been among the governments in Europe that have made very strong statements in relation to the erosion of freedoms here in Hungary. They've been behind the European Commission and President von der Leyen in her decision to stop European money coming to Hungary. So there are actions being taken, and I'm getting the support of the Irish ambassador while I'm here. So, I'm happy with what the government is doing. I think we do need to be strategic and smart, though. In politics, you often have to choose between what feels right and what works. And what works is what I tend to focus on, not just what feels right. And there are people here who are part of the opposition, who are head in the polls here in Hungary, who believe that they can win the election next year and bring Hungary back to the European centre. And they believe this could be a bit of a political trap, that the government here would like nothing more than for Brussels to come down on them like a ton of bricks. And then they can say, we're the ones who are defending Hungarian independence from foreign actors, from the elites, all the usual stuff. So, I think it's important to show solidarity, but I think in terms of any actions that are taken by the European Union, they need to make sure they don't play into the hands of those who had 30 years to ban this march, but decided only to do it the year before the elections.